In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your campaign setup process, I'll guide you through each step to ensure that you have everything you need for a successful start. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot CRM. Open up your preferred web browser and type HubSpot CRM into the search bar to easily find the official HubSpot CRM website. Once you're there, click on the link for HubSpot CRM software to proceed. Next, you'll see an option to Get Started Free. Click this button, which will guide you towards setting up your account if you haven't done so already. If you already have a HubSpot account, you can simply log in. Otherwise, you'll need to create one, which is straightforward and will only take a couple of minutes. After that, you're going to choose or enter your account. If you already have multiple accounts set up, make sure you pick the correct one. Just below this step, click on Continue with this user to move forward. This ensures that you are using the right credentials as you set up your email campaign. Now you'll be prompted to select an account again. This is especially useful for businesses with several HubSpot accounts. Once you've selected the appropriate account, click on Continue with this account. With your account ready to go, navigate to the sales dashboard and click on the Email button. This is your entry point into creating your email marketing campaign. Next, look for the Create Email button. This is where you'll craft the content of your campaign. Choose your preferred sending method based on your needs, whether you want a regular sequence or a more dynamic one. HubSpot provides a variety of templates for creating your emails, or you can opt to start from scratch if you have a custom design in mind. Choose what best fits your campaign strategy. Once your template is set, click on Inbox to start adding content. This is where you get creative. Enter a catchy subject line, a snappy preview text, and set the From address. These elements are the first things your recipients will see, so make sure they capture the essence of your message. Incorporate various dynamic elements into your email by dragging and dropping modules like text, images, call to action buttons, and personalization tokens such as first names. Personalization can significantly boost engagement rates. Moving on to recipients, click on the Recipients tab. Here you can select your contact lists or segments. HubSpot allows you to choose between static or active lists, giving you flexibility depending on your target audience. Once all your content is in place, hit the Review and Send button. This is your chance to